What's going on, traders? Griffin here, coming back to you all with another video from Millennial Motivation Entrepreneur. First and foremost, if you're new to the channel and looking to just start winning with money this year, both in trading and just overall, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button below. But I'll get right to it, everyone. As you can see here, I have real-time data on my thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, and I did not have this my first week, and I'll tell you what, it makes a huge difference, and I think it will make a huge difference going forward. You'll have real-time data as well on the app. All you'll have to do is like re-log out and go into what I did was switch to live trading instead of paper trading. Now obviously you're not gonna make actual trades unless if you have money in your account, but that's like no brainer obviously. But I use it more for like Robinhood, and I'll get into that probably in a future video on how I just go about integrating the two to make the best trades with zero commissions. But anyway, so how do I go about getting this real-time data for free? Because like most of you, whenever I first did this and didn't know what I was doing, I saw that I had this like a 15 to 20 minute delayed data, and that really sucks, to be honest, because stuff starts happening, the candles start moving and all that good stuff in the wrong direction in some cases, like I learned with TVIX, and it's just like, what the hell? If I had real-time data, I would have seen that, right? So, and whenever you go to try to get the real-time data, you saw it was like $100 or $200 a month for a subscription. So you're like, what the hell? There's got to be some way around it, right? Like, what's the deal? So it's not like a way of going around paying for the 200 or anything, but the TD Ameritrade actually offers this to you guys. So as long as you have an account, as you can see, I have like no money in my account. It doesn't really matter. Like, if you want to use TD Ameritrade to trade, you can. I would personally use Fidelity because I think they have cheaper commission rates, but that's a whole nother subject. But anyway, so first thing you'll want to do is head over to Client Services, and right there you'll want to just go to General. So before you even look at your subscriptions, you'll want to go to your General and make sure that your account is registered as like a non-professional account, because if you're a professional, like as in like you're an actual professional broker or work for like some kind of bank or something, they won't let you like have access to this, if I remember right. So to have non-professional is what you want for sure. Now obviously don't lie. If you are professional, then I mean, you're probably not watching this video anyways, but for most of us here, just make sure it's non-professional. If not, just go in and edit that, and then from there it'll have you sign these. And by signing them, that will give you access to be able to then get the subscription. So then from there, what you do is go back into Client Services, head over to your subscriptions. And then as you can see here, I do have real-time NASDAQ level 2 quotes, as well as streaming news. The streaming news is like free for sure. And as you can see, you see how much all these cost, $0. And then there's other ones down here for like $9.99 a month. I don't know what these are about exactly. I might consider this in the near future. I don't know. I'll have to read up more on it for sure, because it's like S&P and all that good stuff. Like I said, I'll have to read more into that. I'll let you guys know probably, just as like I grow my account and whatnot. But anyways, point being, what the video is actually about, this is your real-time quotes, and as you can see, 00, and once you like subscribe, it'll like give you, show a pop-up here on your screen, and it'll tell you like your due amount is 0. Next month you'll be charged 0, and it's just 000. So it's showing that you're never gonna get charged for that. So I mean, it's pretty awesome, guys. And then from there, what I did notice is whenever after I updated my after I updated my like general settings, like after I signed the documents, I went to click this the first time to get the level 2 quotes, like up-to-date quotes, and whenever I would click subscribe, it kept popping up a message saying like you must complete signing the documents or whatever. So what I did is I went and I just logged out. I logged back in, I came back into subscriptions, I did it, and then it worked just fine, and it seems that's worked for a lot of people. I actually learned how to do this from Ricky Gutierrez again, so shout out to him for sure, but he didn't really touch on this at all, so I figured I would make this video specifically to touch on that, because if it wasn't for just one person way down in his comments asking about this and then someone answering just log out, log back in, I wouldn't have known, and who knows if I'd have found out. Chances are I would have eventually. I would have tried it, but it just saves you a lot of time and headaches and frustration at the end of the day, because I was doing it for about 2 minutes and I was like, what the hell? And then finally I looked through the comments and I found it. So I figure I'll go ahead and do this video specifically for that, as well as just for those of you who don't know how to do this already. Like I said, it will give you, as you see right here, real-time data. And as you can see right there, it's literally at 6 p.m. So I mean, and I'm in Central Time, of course, but 6 p.m. So I'm literally right up to date. If you guys want to know anything about my settings within the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform, let me know. And like I said, I'll probably do videos anyways regardless, but I'll do videos on anything that you guys want me to in the near future. So I'll go ahead and wrap this video up. No need for it to be too long or anything. It's just a quick little tutorial. And like I said, to access on the app, what I did was I switched from paper trading to real time. And then it worked on there as well. So if you want me to do a tutorial on that, I'll be happy to do one. I'll just have to figure out how to share my screen and record and whatnot. But hopefully you guys did like the video. Hopefully it did help you guys out. If it did, definitely make sure to smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. And let me know in the comments below, like I said, anything, any video ideas or any words of encouragement, so to speak. Just hit me up in the comments below or through my social media pages that will be in the description as well. And then also I put in one of my favorite investing books for those of you that are new. This book is awesome. It's just called The Compounding Effect, or The Compound Effect. I'll put that in the description box as well. It'll take you straight to Amazon for the cheapest price. But until next time, guys, keep on going out there and making profits, and let's go make some money this year.